Johnny Cash money, Dipset, okay, my lenses off, but don't make it hot. Bitch say Weezy, man, I say bitch, I ain't God, but I am God, son, but you know I ain't nice. See, he positive, amen, not done. Man, Lil Weezy call that even I can't find. Man, some shit just be so hard, I be like, that line ain't mine. And get legends on gram, and that line ain't mine. And if you niggas ball well, come back time. Hey, I dig 3 L's to the live like young money dipset, it's and if I ain't good enough, then you gon' be treat. I done made it on Apple Street like it was 2300 Jackson Street. Young money can't join them, beat them. Fuck this robbing weeds, you need them. A bitch nigga can't even breathe them. That's why I give my white bitches everything but freedom. I do my white bitches anything but feed them. And if the rap poison, feed them. I'm sophisticated, fresh from Antarctica, my rich baby. I'm rich, but I was still chopping you up and feed your ass to the poor. I was chop you up and feed your ass to the poor. I'm about my business. Old ass rappers better stay you like, I got a 44, I'm 24, I can murk you and come on 44. Listen to me with hanging to the dick, nigga. Diamonds in the face, homie, feeling them space. So show you ace. Riders time, scraping that bass.
That's it. My voltage gets down to 12.5 at idle, so not full power, but it's no fucking power anyways with the Audiopipe, so upgrading that soon. The song's Beat Without Bass, Big Pimpin's version off of the Steve Meade forums. Look it up. And that's it for now.